Hi everyone, and thank you for watching with this video. So I will provide you with a quick tutorial on how are you going to create an Access database in less than 5 minutes. Yes, it is true, and you can do it. Of course, with the help of the templates which are already available within Access, or you could search from the web because there are also Access databases developed by developers for free. So let us start. You can open Access either if you have already an Access icon on your desktop, or you could also open it using the start menu if you have Windows 10, or even on the left side of that menu as well. So I will just use the one that I have on the start menu. Click Access, and then you click New. Then you could find different templates that are available for you to use for free. So what you're gonna do is just identify any template here that is related on what you would like to build. Like for example, if you would like to create a database for your students, we have that already template and you could use it. So just select students, and then first thing you need to do is just create a file name for that. And you need to look at on where are you going to save that database. So by default it would be in your documents, but if you would like to change the location, you could just select this icon here and it will give you an options on where you're gonna save it. So I will just save it under documents and then create. And here you go. Now do not forget to click the enable content so that all the codes, all the macros present on this database will be available for you to use. So click enable content, then the template will provide you with a welcome message and even an instructions on how are you going to use this database. So you could play this video and see to it on how you will use this. I will just go to get started, and I have now the database for students. You could go to new, and forms are already built for you to use. Okay, that's all, and thank you for watching.